Welcome to Redline Review. Volvo's eco-friendly features, Scandinavian design, and safety make the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a striking luxury motorhome entry. This motorhome's simplicity and elegance embody Volvo's design, sustainability, and ingenious functionality. Exterior design. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome's aerodynamic shape makes it stand out. Motorhomes have Volvo chassis or FMX platforms. Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlamps, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, and aluminum and composite panel construction are exterior characteristics. A satellite dome with roof-mounted solar panels, power awnings, underfloor storage status, Volvo performance and style go together. Indoor style and comfort, a Scandinavian minimalist sanctuary awaits. Open areas, straight lines, and natural light are valued. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows, ash or birch cabinets, and luxury leather or wool mix furnishings define the living room. The scene is enhanced by a 55-inch retractable smart TV and colored ambient lights. The kitchen has solid surface counters, built-in lighting, a convection oven, a large refrigerator, freezer, an induction cooktop, and a purified water tap. Additional amenities include a king-size memory foam bed with underbed storage, ambient ceiling light panels, soundproof walls, and a touchscreen control panel. Bathroom. Heated flooring, stone-textured tiles, smart mirror, spa-style wet bath with rain shower. Volvo protects humans and the environment using hypoallergenic, sustainable materials. Tech and networking infotainment. An Android-powered lighting, security, heating, and cooling control center accessible via a large wall touchscreen or smartphone app. Starlink, 5G, and wireless charging are included. Zone-based climate management, AI-assisted energy optimization, and voice-activated blinds are smart systems. Volvo Motorhome 2026 power plants vary in performance and drivetrain. D8K mild hybrid diesel for long-distance efficiency. The Volvo e-Motorhome boasts intelligent terrain control, regenerative braking, and a 300-kilometer range. For off-road and winter use, AWD is optional. Volvo's quick steering and adjustable air suspension make this RV seem SUV-like. Features for safety. Volvo's unparalleled safety is embodied in the RV's 360-degree cameras. Radar-based collision prevention, emergency braking, lane keep assistance, fatigue warning, gas leak sensors, pedestrian and cyclist identification, semi-autonomous highway driving with pilot assistance, and fire suppression in living the safest motorhome on the road. Cost and access. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts at $280,000 USD, and special configurations can cost $400,000 USD. Volvo delivers exclusivity with limited manufacturing and customized interiors. Verdict. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 embodies modern style, sustainability, and safety. Volvo's confidence lets it compete in luxury RVs. This RV makes long-term or weekend travel safer, more comfortable, and peaceful.